Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
This is the Tiger Financial News Network update at noon. We're looking at the Dow up 478 points at 30,867. Broke out of that. Look at this. Since the 9th of November, that's slightly trending higher. Green resistance line. Bam, right through it. Trading at nearly at 31,000. 30,934 is the high. Trading at 30,866. Look at the S&P. So one of the things I always like to think of in the as we're going to whatever event is coming up that could be could impact the market, is to try your best just to set aside any preconceptions you have and just say, let's see how the market reacts, whether it's an earnings report or anything, what the market reacts when it's open. And when the market opened at 9:30 this morning, I was a little uncertain. The NASDAQ had dropped precipitously. The S&P was down quite a bit, and the Dow was very nicely higher. Then it started to pull back to about unchanged. And look at it now. It was up 500 points just a moment ago. Now the S&P is up 40 at 37.67. Going into the inside track repellent zone, this is going to be really important, because if it starts to trade anywhere around the 37.82 area, it's at 37.67 right now, that essentially breaks this resistance area. Look at the QQQ. And this is what I've been talking about in my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour, and for my subscribers to my opening call, I've been saying, I think the tech sector is vulnerable after spectacular moves up for the last year and a half or two in many of the stocks. I mean, some going from single digits to triple digits. It's amazing. So the Qs are down 82 cents at 311.04. Doesn't mean to say that they're going to collapse. It just means that you're out of favor. Why? Because money is going to look. The IWM, which for subscribers, we are still long the Dow, just for disclosure purposes, that's still long the IWM. Russell 2000 up 4.1%, up $8 at 204.57, going for its trend line. Look at that major trend line up there. That's about, what is it, about 38%. And so people have asked me, where's money going? Well, the XLF, the financials. Why? And we'll talk about this on the show. They're up sharply because the TLT broke that 154 level I've been talking about for weeks and weeks. We'll talk about it more in my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour. Hope you can stay for that. Otherwise, see you tomorrow, same time. Check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. Have a wonderful day. Hope to see you in a few minutes.